For BCH decoding, let us prove the equation SIQ is equal to SI raised to Q for all I greater than or equal to 1. So you know that S1 is R alpha raised to 1, S2 is R alpha raised to 2, S3 is R alpha cube, S4 is R alpha raised to 4, S5 is R alpha raised to 5, S6 is R alpha raised to 6, and so on. So you know R is a received code word which you will get in the form of Rx. So instead of x, you have to put alpha, alpha square, alpha cube, alpha raised to 4. Accordingly, if it is alpha 1, then it is S1. If it is alpha square, then S2, alpha cube, S3. Now, how much you have to calculate? You have to go up to alpha raised to 2tc. So here, you have to go from 1 to 2tc. So 1 to 2tc. So syndromes are from 1 to 2tc. Okay, so you know this one. After that, we will now prove the equation SIQ is equal to SI raised to Q. So let us express S2. So S2 is equal to, you can write S2 as S1 into 2. That is SIQ. I is 1, Q is 2. Okay. So S1 into 2, that is SIQ, that is S2, is nothing but alpha, R alpha square. S2 is R alpha square. This you can write it as R alpha square, R alpha whole square. Okay, because in a way square will apply to alpha only, that's why. So what is R alpha? R alpha is nothing but S1. Alpha is to 1, so S1. So S1 square, that is nothing but S1 square. So S1 into 2 is equal to S1 square. So SIQ, I is 1, Q is 2, is equal to SI raised to Q. Okay, so that's why in that matrix you don't calculate S2. You calculate S1 and make it its square to get S2. So let us prove S4. S4 you can express it as 2 into 2. 4 is 2 into 2. I is 2, Q into 2. Q is equal to 2. So S4 is what? R alpha raised to 4. This you can write it as R alpha square whole square. So R alpha square is S2. So S2 square. So S4 is S2 square. That is SIQ, that is 2 into 2, is equal to SI raised to 2. Raised to Q. I is 2, Q is 2. Now after that, express S6. S6 is S3 into 2. I is 3, Q is 2. You can take Q as 2 as well as I as 3. Interchange. You can take either I as 3 or Q as 3 or I as 2, Q as 2. So S3 into 2, that is nothing but R alpha raised to 6. Alpha raised to 6, that you can express is at R alpha cube bracket square, that is S3 square. So S3 into 2 is nothing but S3 square. SIQ is equal to SI raised to Q. So this is required in finding the matrix M in the syndrome decoding. Syndrome decoding of what? BCH code. There it is directly in the books. They have directly written it as S2 is equal to S1 square, and S4 is equal to S2 square. So that is explained in this video.